This 40-inch smart LED TV from TCL comes with Full HD resolution. The Full HD resolution offers great picture clarity with delicate detail and lifelike color. The A+ grade LED panel with the narrow bezel design offers an immersive viewing experience with better color transparency and depth. The recommended viewing distance for this TV is 6 to 9 feet. With screen mirroring, you can enjoy your favorite content from your mobile on the bigger screen. With TCast, you can share images, videos and more from your mobile to your TV. Use the TCL App Store to quickly download content, gaming, photo sharing and more. Connect to Netflix and YouTube and enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows. The TCL launcher comes in dual-core CPU plus GPU configuration and is capable of automatic upgrade for constant access to the latest edition. The TV has 3 HDMI and 2 USB ports, allowing you to connect multiple devices like a set-top box, Amazon Fire Stick, DVD player, etc. Enjoy your favorite movies and music with the powerful DTS Dolby 16-watt box speaker that offers loud and clear sound. This TV comes with one tabletop stand, one wall mount bracket, one remote control, 2 AAA batteries, one power supply adapter, user manual and warranty card. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. It comes with free installation and demo.